kindly be seated. Thank you. Your Excellency, fellow runners and walkers, I start by recognizing this special day commemorating International Women's Day. This year's theme, An Equal World is an Enabled World, asks us to actively choose to challenge stereotypes, fight bias, broaden perceptions, improve situations, and celebrate women's achievements. As we celebrate this Women's Day, we also want to raise awareness about issues that impede girls' and women's opportunity to advance and thrive as equal citizens of the world. Today, we ran for several causes. We ran for zero maternal deaths. We ran to end female genital mutilation and obstetric fistula. We ran to end early child marriage. This morning was special, and I want to thank you all for participating in this 5th edition of the Beyond Zero Marathon. I saw runners from diverse backgrounds and all ages come together to share their love for running. I saw groups of friends and families who have chosen to make running their lifestyle to ensure wellness and healthy living. This year, His Excellency the President joined expectant mothers in the amazing 2-kilometer pregnancy walk in celebration of motherhood. As mothers of Kenya, we thank you. There are those of you who ran or walked today, not because it was a marathon or a competition, because you care. And that is what the Beyond Zero Marathon is about. I applaud all of you who participated in the various race categories and congratulate the winners who we will be recognizing later on. Ladies and gentlemen, Beyond Zero's work is about advocacy and awareness creation around critical health issues. Our work complements service delivery programs presented by both national and county governments, together with other stakeholders in the health sector. Our work requires knowledge and awareness sharing so that all citizens can make better health choices and so that women, men, and children can access quality and affordable health care. These marathons have made it possible to contribute to Kenya's healthcare reforms. Our work has contributed to the introduction of free services for pregnant women through the NHIF Linda Mama program. It has helped to increase ART coverage for HIV-positive mothers and promoted awareness for stigma-free communities. It has also contributed greatly in immunization of infants and to increase of screening for reproductive health cancers for both men and women. Our advocacy work has contributed to policy formulation in ending FGM and eradicating obstetric fistula, along with a call for an increase in resource allocation in this area. To date, the Beyond Zero medical safaris that we have held in Kisumu, West Pokot, Narok, Nyandarua, and Nairobi have served wananchi in these regions and extended services to communities in the neighboring counties. Working with our partners, the funds we have raised with your help have supported to purchase medical equipment and supplies to bring medical care closer to Kenyans. This year's Beyond Zero Marathon 2020 will continue to support our advocacy around critical health areas. The hashtag #IWillRun is symbolic. It urges us to run for a cause that you as an individual or a corporate care about. A cause that affects your loved ones, your family, your community, your colleagues. This marathon will help us elevate our contribution towards ending preventable deaths. It will enable us to reach out to many more marginalized and vulnerable communities through 4 more medical safaris. We will also upgrade 4 health facilities across the country and continue to support the training of health workers. This year, we turn our focus on adolescents and young people to create momentum, mobilize leadership, draw commitment towards achieving better results in HIV control. We seek their participation in raising awareness for better health choices on issues that affect them. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow athletes, this event would not be possible if it were not for you and the many other partners who have over the years given us their unwavering support and cheered us on. I thank all the sponsors, partners, and friends who have made this marathon a success. Every year, we make improvements to ensure that this event continues to be an enjoyable experience, and your support has made this possible. I applaud the planning teams, staff, volunteers, participants, and the spectators at home. Together, we have delivered the Beyond Zero Marathon 2020. I wish you journey mercies back home and a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you, and God bless you all.